Coffee lovers, meet your new obsession, the Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe Coffee and Espresso Maker by Breville. This sleek, compact coffee machine isn't just another espresso maker. It's a versatile system designed to make your coffee experience simpler, more flavorful, and visually stunning. With its premium design and metallic finish, it instantly adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, while delivering the convenience you need for your daily caffeine fix. If you're looking to brew high-quality coffee and espresso with minimal effort and maximum style, the Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe could be the answer. In this review, we'll take a closer look at the standout features of this machine and why it might be your next must-have kitchen accessory. What makes the Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe stand out? From its ability to brew multiple coffee sizes to its sleek, compact design, the Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe combines innovation with convenience. Whether you prefer a quick espresso or a long, indulgent cup of coffee, this machine does it all with just a press of a button. Here's why you'll love it. 1. Versatile coffee sizes for every mood. One of the most compelling features of the Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe is its ability to brew 5 different cup sizes. Whether you're in the mood for a single or double espresso or want to enjoy a larger cup of 5, 8, or 12-ounce coffee, this machine has you covered. The added option to brew cold brew-style coffee further sets it apart from traditional espresso machines. Imagine waking up and deciding whether today is an espresso day or a long, leisurely coffee day, all at the touch of a button. Everyone can get their favorite brew without the need for multiple machines. 2. Compact design with smart water tank placement. Don't let the versatility fool you. This machine is compact and sleek enough to fit even the tiniest of spaces. The 37 Fall-Aughts removable side water tank is cleverly placed for easy access, making it perfect for countertops with limited space. You get the power of a full-sized coffee maker without sacrificing precious counter real estate. If space is an issue, but you refuse to compromise on quality, this machine is the ideal solution for your home or office. 3. Simple and convenient one-touch system. If you're someone who values simplicity, the one-touch coffee system on the Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe will win you over. Just pop in an Espresso Vertuo capsule, press a button, and your coffee is ready. With a 30-second heat-up time, you'll never be left waiting for your morning brew. Imagine having a barista-level cup of coffee ready in less than a minute, before you've even brushed your teeth. The machine also includes an automatic pod ejection and an adjustable drip tray, making cleanup just as easy as the brewing process. Plus, the adjustable drip tray means you can brew into your favorite mug, no matter the size. 4. Precision brewing for perfect coffee every time. The Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe offers precision brewing that ensures each cup is smooth, full-bodied, and topped with a velvety layer of crema. This is where Nespresso really shines, creating rich, flavorful coffee with the perfect balance of taste and texture. With the Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe, every cup feels like it was made by a professional barista, minus the complicated techniques. Whether you're brewing a dark roast or a mild blend, the machine's advanced brewing system adapts to the coffee capsule to deliver consistent, high-quality results. 5. Premium coffee blends to suit every palate. Nespresso isn't just about the machine, it's also about the coffee. With over 40 permanent specialty Vertuo coffee options ranging from bold and strong to light and smooth, there's a blend for every coffee lover. Nespresso also offers limited edition blends and flavors, allowing you to explore new tastes regularly. Ever wanted to travel the world through coffee? With Nespresso's premium and diverse blends, every cup offers a new experience. As a bonus, each machine comes with a complimentary tasting pack so you can explore various options before settling on your favorites. 6. Sustainability and recyclability. In today's world, sustainability matters, and Nespresso has made strides in ensuring their capsules are fully recyclable. Simply recycle the aluminum capsules through Nespresso's free recycling program, reducing your environmental footprint while enjoying premium coffee. If you love coffee but also care about the environment, Nespresso's commitment to sustainability makes this machine an even better investment. Is the Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe worth the investment? If you're serious about your coffee but don't want the hassle of a complicated brewing system, the Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe is a solid investment. Its versatility in coffee sizes, sleek design, and ease of use make it perfect for both beginners and coffee connoisseurs. Whether you're in the mood for a quick espresso or a leisurely long coffee, this machine delivers a barista-level experience without the need for expert brewing skills. Additionally, Nespresso's commitment to sustainability with its recyclable capsules gives you peace of mind, knowing that your coffee habit is kinder to the environment. Final thoughts. The Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe Coffee and Espresso Maker by Breville is a standout choice for anyone who wants cafe-quality coffee at the push of a button. From its precision brewing to its sleek, compact design, it's built for convenience without sacrificing quality. If you're looking for a coffee machine that offers multiple coffee sizes, premium coffee blends, and a user-friendly system, the Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe is an excellent choice for your home or office. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.